is the unboxing video for the Samsung Note DeX. It's for the desktop docking for your smartphone if you have a Samsung one. It's compatible with a few of them. I don't have the list here, so I can't tell you. But anyway, it comes in this box that looks very plain. I'm going to attempt to do this with one hand, so bear with me. Alright. Let's get out. Looks like I was pulling on the wrong side. I was trying to pull this flap this way, but it actually is the top that will lift up. So here we go. Lifting it up. It sort of looks like a charging station, but it's for docking your phone, and then you attach HDMI monitor cable to the station plus keyboard and mouse, and then you can use your phone as a computer. So it looks like it comes with a USB plug with earphones, and here's the USB-C to USB-A sort of attachment there. Okay, get it out of the box here. It's Ethernet 100 megabits and USB 2. There's two of them in the back. The small print says in the box, DeX station, quick start guide. USB, there's two USB 2s, Ethernet, HDMI, and a USB-C. That might be the charge port. Not sure. We'll see. Sorry, not charge, power port. Alright, there's tape here. So trying to use my foot to hold it. Ooh. Alright. Anything else? Nope. Alright, so we have our docking station. Feels like a big puck. Okay, so there are the ports. So you just push on the lower part here and just easily slides open. Here's where you gotta dock your phone. A lot of people don't like it that they have to remove their phone from their case, so something to consider. For me, it's pretty easy. I have a case where the phone slides out pretty easily, so I don't think I'll mind doing that. Since I already do that a lot, sometimes my case doesn't work properly when charging, so I have to slide my phone out to charge. So there you go, and there's a quick start guide on the bottom here. I think it's pretty simple. I don't think I'm gonna need to read that, but there you go. I'll plug it all together and oh no, I don't have a second phone to record if I did use this, so this is all I can show you. Thank you for watching.